We did spend good night here next to the river, but the police came here 3 separate times asking for passport.
Passport. Yes, first there was one civilian police and then 2 more police and border cars came here. It's normal thing in this part. Welcome to Eastern Europe.
Greetings from Hungary.
We drove yesterday from Poland to Hungary. Slovakia and Hungary, they have a toll system, so you have to buy a vignette if you use the motorways.
But we are budget traveling and we avoid the big highways and took the little country roads and did not buy a vignette.
Even if you come to Hungary, on the border it says mandatory vignette. No, it's not mandatory.
No.
It's mandatory only if you use those toll roads. They are really good signed, and there is always map of those toll roads that you need to buy a vignette. So
exactly. You don't have to pay much, you just have to pay attention. It's time to say goodbye to Poland. Farewell. And we are entering new country, Slovakia.
Yeah, rainy and windy, but
still
that's how we roll with the driving days.
Yeah. Slovakia looks like this.
Now it's your turn to actually guess which country we are in.
Yeah. So goodbye Slovakia and hello Hungary.
It would be 26 euros for Slovakia and Hungary, and we didn't buy. So we saved 26 euros, and it was like 40 minutes longer road.
But we could see the beautiful houses in these countries.
And we prefer always going through those little towns.
And now we are border of the Romania and Hungary, and weather looks great, so we succeed on chasing the sun thing. But this border is kind of interesting. There's a very heavy duty border patrol.
Yeah, because it is Schengen border, so Romania is not part of Schengen, so it's really highly patrolled by police and border guards. Hello. Sorry, you had to speak any.
Problem.
Yeah.
Problem.
Problem.
No problem.
Ah, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Relax.
Yeah. Okay.
Romania.
Yeah.
We come from Poland and going tomorrow.
Poland.
Yeah. From Poland here and then Romania.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you. The police came here 3 separate times asking for passport.
Passport. Yes, first there was one civilian police and then 2 more police and border cars came here.
Yeah, every time there were more men and bigger vehicle.
But yeah, it's normal thing in this part. Welcome to Eastern Europe. Because
welcome to Eastern Europe, my friend.
Yes, in Eastern Europe, police will ask you passport
All the
time, so it's really normal.
Don't take it personally.
And we are just beside the border. Border is like 700 meters that way, so
yeah, we don't know if this is like a major smuggling route or something.
We just have to drive like 2 kilometers through that little town.
And then we are in the Romania.
Yeah, gonna get Vodafone phone plan from there and continue traveling in Romania. In Romania we have to buy vignette because the roads that
you cannot avoid them.
Yeah, you cannot avoid them, so we bought 90-day vignette for 13 euros.
Not a big cost.
Not a big cost. So it will be our home for the next months. We don't know how long time.
Yeah, let's see. Let's hit the road, and thanks for traveling with us.
Yes, let's hit the road. Boo!
New country day. Boo!
At every border crossing that we know that there's checkups, we always clean the van. So if somebody checks inside, they can see the clean van, and usually
they just take a peek.
And that's it. So they profile of your cleanness, I think. because we haven't actually been checked in any border. Or we have always been gone through. So we are either lucky or this system works. Last time when we were trying to go to Romania, it was a total failure because we forgot our car papers, and because you cannot get your car outside of Schengen without car papers, we needed to actually turn around and go to Croatia, or we thought we were going to Slovenia, but accidentally drove to Croatia, which is also outside of Schengen area, and we got through without car papers for some reason. And then we needed to wait for the car papers to come so we could continue our journey. Yeah, nowadays you cannot get your registration papers immediately when you go to the yearly MOT. You have to ask them, and we forgot it. So it was a funny adventure without car papers in outside the Schengen area. But everything turned out great because DHL picked up the car papers from Sarah's dad, and then it came to us in Croatia. Yes. Now everything is ready in our van, so we can go Romania. Satu Mare. Yeah, we are in Satu Mare. There's a shopping mall that has Vodafone and Orange stores. I'm a bit puzzled. Vodafone, their systems are down, so I couldn't get a prepaid card. The Orange, they are out of SIM cards, so they couldn't actually sell me a SIM card. Well, that sucks. We are actually going now approximately 90 kilometers from here to one river. Just go there and grilling and making food, and maybe in a day or two go in another town in a Vodafone store. Yeah, they have good prepaid card offer. It's €8 and unlimited internet, so it's no-brainer to change to that because we pay €15 and 15 gigabytes. Yeah, but hot day, really hot day. We have been just waiting if the Vodafone systems are up or not, and the girl said that it's not gonna go up. So, continuing journey, 90 kilometers back to the nature. Yeah, Satu Mare it's a lively little town or city, and I didn't remember that in Romania there's so much people. Like, this is middle of the week and every parking spot is full and all the roads are full of people. Yeah, feels like a little bit of Spain. Romanian people are a bit noisy and yeah, lively, so this feels a little bit of Spain. Just gonna take pull out here and then driving. Hot day.
We are in Romania and we left the big city, Satu Mare. There's a lot of these roundabouts with multiple lanes. Going to the nature. We came Romania because we want to be in the nature, beautiful. And we drive through these little villages and towns so we can admire these colorful houses and beautiful gardens.
This is like Hungary continues here. These towns and houses. Well, they have Hungarian names also in here.
Yeah.
But they also look pretty
Identical.
similar.
Yeah.
So.
But here's so much more people and people are so lively and just hanging out here.
And every town has a football field and it's like perfectly maintained grass field.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping I can see local football someday.
Yeah.
I'm always trying to find local football when it's possible.
Yeah. Local culture. Maybe we will have a culture day soon. But now, heading to nature. Roads are surprisingly good.
Yeah.
In this part, at least.
these are called isvor, so basically water spots. Usually spring-fed water that is all around Romania. And right from the start, when we are traveling, we are always using spring-fed water 90% of the time, because we want to actually get used to the local bacteria, because water has always bacteria and you have to get used to it. That's the reason you need to buy bottled water when you are going for 1 week vacation, because you are not used to it. But when we are traveling slower to all around Europe, we can drink the local water with no problems at all. Yeah, and these are good tasting water. That's also a reason we buy this. We don't want to buy 5-liter jugs. Yet they cost like 70 cents. We don't want to buy bottled water. That's plastic. Why? Because you have these. Good tasting water.
We did succeed escaping the hectic city and coming into nature. This beautiful riverside overnighting spot is now ours. There is this fields and there's a lot of sheepo droppings and calming river water. The water itself is kind of murky because it has been raining past few days, so I think it will eventually clear out. Gorgeous day, blue skies, green fields. We love it here in Romania. Even we did not get the internet, we can just pretend we are like back in the old days, like time hopping. No Wi-Fi, no selfies, no YouTube.
Pulla jumping around here just for a while. He got some fleas.
Yeah, we do have a flea comp, but it's not enough.
They are herder with the lambs and dogs, so they bring fleas to here. But yeah, we have dealt with the fleas before in Spain, so we have the flea treatment already here.
Yeah, we just put it in the Pulla's neck so he cannot lick it away, and the fleas will eventually die. We do not want to have any fleas inside of our camper van.
No.
No, gross. So it's treatment time for Pulla. And of course we always keep our doggies vaccination up to date, so this way we can travel with our doggy without him spreading any diseases around.
This is the best part of the driving day. Get into your camping spot. Wow.
And not driving.
And not driving.
No bio waste when you have a dog. Do you know what we are having for lunch? It's not tortillas.
Pitas.
A little preview to Greek and Turkey.